disconnect the connector right here. There is a little lock tab. You have to slide that out a little bit, and then you can push down on the lock. So this needs to slide back, and then you can press down on that to release it. Slide that out of the way. Use a 10mm socket. There is a bolt on the other side of this. Kind of hard to see. Loosen that up. You can take it out by hand once you get it broken free. Slide that out, then grab the sensor, just rock it back and forth, and it slides right out. Take the new sensor, line it up. And just wiggle it back and forth a little bit. Take the bolt, get it started. Now I'll tighten this down, just snug it up. Take the connector, line it up, lock it in, and push down on the lock.